There are pieces of duck, and there is ginger butter, cumin powder, and bay leaf, and cardamom butter, and cinnamon butter. Cinnamon. This is cinnamon. Here is ginger butter, cumin powder, bay leaf, cardamom, and salt. And at this moment, she is applying